Hello, I'm Rich Zanadi and it feels super awesome to have you here. Videos are simply sensational. They can intrigue you, they can wire you, or make you learn something even new just as you're about to learn in this video. Amazing, right? Yes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert video from one format to the other using the best video converter out there for free. Awesome! But before we go into doing that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'd like you to subscribe right now so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and make more informed decisions that will improve your life, right? Or the quality of your work. Now that you've done that, let's go to converting some videos for free. Okay, so to convert any video for free, we are going to download like the best free video editor converter out there. So to do that, we are going to head into getintopc.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description, right? So what we are going to download, we are going to download the top software called Tipard video converter. So I've been using lots of converter, and this comes very handy. So like handbrake video converter is also cool, but I prefer this one because the interface is very easy. So it's spelled Tipard, so T-I-P-A-R-D, Tipard video converter. So just download it, right? So this is it, right? So it's uploaded. So I've been using the 2020 version, right? So yeah, this is the one that I've been using, but if you want, you can download like the most recent version, right? So this one was uploaded 20. So this one you can download anyone. So anyone, just any of these will work like absolutely well, right? So let's download this, right? So I think I have the 2020 downloaded on my laptop already, but for those of us that don't know how to download on this platform, you just go down here and you see download here. You see download. So here, download full setup file here, then the password is 123, and you save it. So let me just walk you through how you can install it. So I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to open the file. So I'll go to my downloads, compressed. So here, so I'm going to extract. So here, that's the file. I'm going to extract the file. So desktop, I'll create a new folder, then here. Okay, so let's quickly, so it is going to prompt you to enter password. So the password for all the software at Get Into PC is 123, right? So we hit that, and let's download a video converter. So yeah, so like we extracted it, so let's go ahead with the installation. So so here, this is it. So our advice, if you want to do yours right, turn off your virus security, because at times it's going to, because of the crap file, right, it is going to eat it up. You might see it as a virus. So here, come here, so this is a setup, right? So I'm going to hit install. So I'm going to install it now. So yes, so ask you, do you want to allow it to make changes to your laptop? Say yes, and then keep. So again, so I will show you why I prefer this software to other video converters out there. So Tipard video converter, like the interface is seamless and it's very easy to use, and the ease with which you can convert, move move mkv files to mp4 is awesome. So basically that's it. So here this is so before I open it, right, I will just go and crack it. So to just crack, right, you click here. So just copy this registry file here. So it's going to take us online now. So just copy. So I'll go back here. So let's close the file, because we are supposed to crack it before. So here you see it's on register here, right? So let's go and register it. So this is what you can do with the trial version. Like you can just video length that you can convert is just 5 minutes. So what we will do is that so buying this, right, it's let's check the price. So I don't think it's that expensive. It's lifetime is about $55, $55 or $28. So but I'm going to show you how to just crack it free. So so you just copy to crack it, right? So let's close this, right? Open this. Now come here. So go to crack. So I'm going to copy this registry file here, .dll. So we are going to copy. Now we go to our program files. Let's go to our program files here. See. So drive C. So program files here. So we are going to see Tipard here. So let's go down. Tipard. Let me spot it. Tipard. Let's go. Yeah. So it's not here. So let's open here. Over here. So here Tipard Studio, yeah, gotcha. So here click on it. So here just paste it here. It's going to crack it. Just click here and paste. It's going to ask you if you want to replace destination. Click here and voila, continue. And this is how to crack it. It's pretty easy, right? Yeah. So so let's go and check if our video converter is successfully cracked. So let's come here and open it and see the magic. So here this 2020 version. So I used to have like version 9.2. It worked perfectly for me, and voila. So here you see it's been converted. So congratulations, you have the best video converter now. So you see that you should upgrade. No, we just upgraded. So this is the latest, right? So let's just close this. So to convert any video, so here these are some of the videos that I'm about to upload to my YouTube now. So I shot these videos with my iPhone, right? So let me open any of these videos. Let me open a random video, and you see it's MOV. This is the extension, right? So what we want to do is let's convert it to mp3. So the thing is that you can convert all of it at once. That's how nice this is, right? So we go to our Tipard converter and just hit this. So click on add file. So it's on my desktop, right? So here new video for editing. I just click here and I'm going to select all, press Ctrl A, select all, and click on open. So loading 1 or 3. See how pretty fast. So this I'll pick this 100 times over handbrake, because this is awesome for the fact that it's a premium software and you can get it for free on get into PC. That is just awesome. So you hit here. So here it's the source, right, and here is the output source. So is on mp4. So basically I want mp4, or I use mp4 or on my this thing on my for my YouTube videos, because I will still have to edit these videos on Camtasia, and Camtasia doesn't open MOV formats, right? So I shoot on my iPhone, then convert with MOV. So here, now that you've done that, right, so click on convert all, and guys, that's how to convert any video from one format to the other. And the good thing is that now you can hear, right, I've already started the conversion process. Okay, let me stop and show you guys something, a quick one. Let me stop and show you. So here, if you don't want your format to be in mp4, you can just click on this small arrow here. So look at awesome this thing. You can put it on 4K, you can convert it to 4K HD, 3D Blu-ray. So look at it, can the options are limitless. And also you can convert your video to mp3. Just click on audio, right, so to mp3, to high quality mp3, to medium low quality mp3. Look at the bit rate at 320 kilobyte per seconds. You can do all that. So here these are different audio formats here, then video format. So you can HEVC, mp4, move, mkv, AVI. So if you are, let's see, if you're not shooting in 8K video, yeah, you can also shoot that here. So this is just epic, right? So you can just go out there and download that. So if you have any while you are doing this, right, if you have any difficulty, you can just leave it in the comment section, and I'll be happy to just show you through. And by the way, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please use the magic power, subscribe, so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and take action. So now that you've done that, I just wish you an amazing journey, with your video editing process. It's still Friday, it still reaches. I love you guys. Till next time, cheers.